Want to save time when creating invoices in QuickBooks Online? Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to duplicate an invoice so you can quickly issue similar invoices without starting from scratch. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online using your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the Sales section from the left-hand panel, then click on Invoices here. You'll see a list of all your existing invoices. Next, locate the invoice you want to duplicate. On the right side of that invoice, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click it, and you'll see several options. Select Duplicate, and QuickBooks will instantly create an identical copy of your invoice. This new invoice will open in a fresh window, ready for edits. Now, take a moment to review and adjust the duplicated invoice. You can change the date, update line items, or modify quantities and prices to fit your current transaction. Being thorough here ensures your invoice is accurate and saves you from mistakes later. Once everything looks correct, hit Save at the bottom of the screen. Your new invoice is now stored safely in QuickBooks, ready to track and manage alongside your other records. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly duplicate invoices, making your billing process faster, easier, and more consistent. Happy invoicing!